still hobbling a little bit. Hi, baby. Mama, see you go. She ain't as bad as she was. She wants to come near us. She's watching because I let her go. Do you see the way Gabby was watching to make sure she's okay? Now you need to walk out to Gabby. I mean, Sadie. She won't let me. Look, she's staying on my hand. Well, still, walk out to her anyway. Walk out to her.
You see that thing you got in your hand?
Yeah.
Put it on the motherfucker. You wrap it around there and you go see the other horse.
I wonder if they come running when he's tied up.